Today we will share with everyone how to set Virgin this BMW i3 EME. Let's connect it to the platform first. Okay, we are connected now. Let's start BMW Explorer. Now select the Hybrid Control 1A. Proceed. Okay, now we are in the EME module. Select the extra options, then reset the EWS. Now we need to connect the Ethernet cable to proceed. Let's continue. Then we select the first option, reset EWS function. There are several steps, it will take some time overall. Okay, all done. Select OK. OK. Now this board is Virgin again. We just need to install it on the inverter and then on car.